In the last video, I showed you how to leverage the header parameter of the Pandas readCSV method. As usual, I'll start by importing Pandas. And this is how the data frame looks. If the header parameter is set to 0, it will use the first line from the CSV as the header. So 1, 2, 3 becomes the header of the data frame. If I set the header to none, then Pandas will assign a numerical index from 0 to 2 as the header. Of course, I can provide the names parameter with a list of header names, and it will do the same thing. More about the names parameter in future videos. So again, if I comment out the names parameter, I will get the header names generated from 0 to 2. Now, if I set the header to 1, it will set the headers to the second row. Remember, row indexing starts at 0, so the second row is index 1. But because I've defined the names parameter, the header is replaced with the value from the names list. The same thing happens if I set the header to 0 or none. So let me set the header to 1 and comment out the names list.